This is the first getting started tutorial in GameMaker. First, let's go to the official website. Just type GameMaker and choose the first one that comes up. This is the official website for GameMaker. It's Yojo Games that is hosting this website. And the latest version is number 8 at the moment. There is a free version, you can download it. It's a light version. There is also a pro version. You have to pay a little bit of money and you get some more advanced features. Here under the Make section you can download it and you can find some resources, you can find some graphics and some sounds, etc. to use in your own games. You can also find some official tutorials. We're going to have a look at these in a moment. Let's go to the Play section on this website. Here you can find under some different genres, for example adventure game, arcade games, platform game, puzzle game, etc. Many people that have created some games using GameMaker, and they have uploaded the games here, and you can download them for free and play them. But let's go back to the Make section. So we're gonna have a look at the tutorials. Here are some official tutorials for GameMaker. Here you can find a general tutorial, what to think about when creating a good game. It's quite long, but if you're very interested in computer games and would like to be a good game creator, I recommend that you read this at one point. We're gonna start with this tutorial, your first game. So let's download this. It's a zip file. Let's download it to My Documents. And this is the first tutorial. We're going to create a quite easy game, and let's have a look at these files. As you can see, it's a zip folder, so we have to unzip it first. Here's the folder. Inside here we can find example. This is the actual game, the project file, the game file. And here you can find the resources, graphics and sounds, etc. And here you can find a PDF document with the actual tutorial for this game. So let's open up this PDF document. Here you can read a little bit about the game idea, design, etc. And here it starts right away, step by step, showing you what you have to do to create this game. Let's first have a look at this game so we get an idea what we're going to do. So let's open up this game file, Catch the Clown. When we open up GameMaker, we usually this window comes up and it offers you to buy the Pro edition, but if we're happy using the Lite edition, which is free, just click Continue, and then this window comes up. Okay, so let's hide this window. Click Hide. This is just a tutorial. Here we have GameMaker, the program. We have some menus here, we have some buttons, and we have some folders. Before I'm gonna show you a little bit about this, let's play the game so we get an idea how it's gonna be like. So just click the green play button to run the game. And it has to load everything, and here's the game. So we see this picture of a moving clown, and we have to move the cursor and click, and then we get 10 points. You can see the score up here. The clown is moving. If it hits the wall, it's gonna bounce, but sometimes it changes direction randomly. So we have to options. Okay, so you get the idea. That's the actual game. Maybe not the most fun game in the world, but it contains a lot of good things that we need to know in order to create any kind of game. So let's have a look at this project, the actual game. Inside these folders you can find everything that is needed for the game. You can find the sprites, which is the actual graphic, and then sounds, and then the backgrounds, and then the objects that are moving around, and you can find the first level, the actual room that looks like this. Okay, so let's keep this project open and just open up one more GameMaker window, which is going to be our game. It's going to be a empty file from scratch. Let's hide the tutorial. Now let's go back to the PDF document. The first step, we're going to add sprites and sounds. So let's read here. To add these sprites to the game, we proceed as follows: creating the clown sprite, this one, the clown sprite resource for the game. From the resource menu, choose create sprite, and then this window will come up. So let's go to our project. From the resource menu, create sprite. Okay. Next step, click on the name field where it says sprite 0 and change the name to SPR_clown. So we change the name to SPR_clown. Click on the load sprite button. This opens a file requester. Navigate to the resources folder that came with this tutorial and select the image file clown.png and then click OK. Okay, load sprite. We have to locate the clown, the resources folder, remember, clown, and here is the clown picture. So we click open, we choose this one and then click OK. Now you can see that we have a sprite in the sprite folder. So we have the first picture, the first graphics we need. If we need to open this again, just double click on this and this comes up. So just keep doing like this, keep going with this tutorial and take it slow and easy, and be very careful that you're not gonna skip a step or two.